Welcome. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to turn on sync in the Gmail app so you never miss a single email again. If your Gmail isn't updating automatically or you're not getting new messages, the sync feature might be turned off. Don't worry, it's easy to fix, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, unlock your phone and open the Gmail app. This is where all the magic happens. Once the app opens, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap the three horizontal lines. That's your menu icon. It's also known as the hamburger icon, and it gives you access to the main Gmail settings and options. From the menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Settings. Tap it. You'll now see a list of all the accounts that are connected to your Gmail app. If you have more than one account, make sure to select the Gmail account where you want to turn on sync. After selecting your account, scroll down through the account settings until you find an option called Sync Gmail. This option controls whether Gmail automatically updates your inbox and other folders in real time. Now, check if the box next to Sync Gmail is selected. If it's not, tap it once to turn it on. When it's enabled, Gmail will automatically sync periodically, meaning your emails, drafts, and labels will stay up to date without you needing to refresh manually. If you've been missing important messages or noticing that your email doesn't update until you open the app, this simple setting will fix that problem right away. To make sure everything is working correctly, return to your inbox and slide down from the top of the screen to refresh. You should now see your latest emails appear. And that's it. You've successfully turned on sync in your Gmail app. It's a quick and effective way to keep your email activity seamless and up to date. Remember, keeping sync enabled ensures you'll always be connected and informed, no matter where you are.